just in at All Saint Clinic and I'm about to interview Dr. Joseph Hkeik, and I'm going to ask him all about the neck because it's a big area of concern for me and for many women, and I want to see what the latest treatments are for that area.
Neck treatment. This is the area that really we need more research and development in our industry to actually get as good as we can get with the face. But let's look at the skin first. So as far as the skin's concerned, there's many different laser technologies we can use to resurface your skin or to clear some of the pigmentation, some of the vascularity. So things like BBL, things like Fraxel, which is still one of the #1 treatment for skin resurfacing, is a really good solution for the neck because you can resurface the skin in a tiny portion at a time. Hence why we need to do it 2 or 3 times, sometimes a little bit more. So since the launch of the skin bioremodeling agent, we tend to not to resort to the dermal as much or really at all, because
you mean that other type of injectable?
The other type of
wrinkle
injectable,
relaxing one.
Yeah, yes. So we tend to not to use them as much because we found that the bioremodeler is sufficient to hydrate the skin and plump up these lines. So it has become a good solution.
Great.
And with the also launch of Rejuran, I think that also will improve the skin further.